Who is the richest man in Africa right now? Is it a tech billionaire, an oil tycoon, or someone who controls something we use every single day? In this video, I will show you who the richest man in Africa is in 2026, how he made his money, and how much he is really worth. Stay to the end because his biggest business might surprise you. The richest man in Africa in 2026 is none other than Aliko Dangote. He is from Nigeria. His net worth is about $30 billion. That makes him not only the richest in Africa, but also one of the richest men in the world. But how did he make all this money? Let's break it down simply. Most people think that Dangote became rich because of oil. That is not true. He made most of his money from cement. Yes, cement, the powder used to build houses, roads and bridges. Dangote owns Dangote Cement. It is the largest cement company in Africa. Many African countries buy cement from his company. So every time buildings are built, he makes money. Recently, Dangote built one of the biggest oil refineries in the world. It is located in Nigeria. This refinery can process hundreds of thousands of barrels of oil every single day. Before this refinery, Nigeria exported crude oil and imported fuel. Now, Nigeria can refine its own fuel. This project alone cost billions of dollars and it made him even richer. Dangote does not only sell cement, he also owns business in sugar, salt, fertilizer, oil refinery and so on and so forth. If you live in Nigeria, you have probably used one of his products without knowing. That is how powerful his business empire is. Here is the interesting part. Dangote did not start with billions. He started as a small trader. He bought and sold goods like sugar and rice. Over time, he expanded into manufacturing. Instead of just selling products, he started producing them. That decision changed everything. There are three big lessons we should learn from Dangote. Number one is the ability to solve problems. Yes, big problems at that. Africa needs cement, food and fuel, and Dangote invested in what people always need. Then number two is that he thinks long term. He builds businesses that last for decades. And number three is that he started small and grew big. He did not become a billionaire overnight. So now you know, the richest man in Africa in 2026 is Aliko Dangote, and he built his fortune mainly from cement and oil. What surprised you the most? Was it the cement business or the massive oil refinery? Comment below, and if you want more videos about Africa's richest and most powerful people, like this video and subscribe. See you.